Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how I turned a social studies project into an engineering project. This project was the final big project for social studies. It was for all the events that happened during or after the Civil War. We needed at least 3 items on one website. What I decided to do was make a video or a documentary with some of my friends. It was about John Brown, and we had 2 items on the video. I just needed 1 more item to complete. Social studies really isn't my favorite subject, so finding statistics and facts or writing an essay about a battle really would be boring for me. So I needed a way to get out of social studies and into engineering. So I looked at the examples, and then I saw diorama. Diorama. Model. CAD design. 3D printing. I can make another engineering project out of this social studies project. And here's what I made. This is a model of the Ford's Theater. I used Fusion 360 for this design. Fusion is a sketch-based software. It's different than Tinkercad, 1 because you have to download it, and 2 because it's sketch-based. This means you have to draw all the details in and then extrude the pieces out. In Tinkercad, you just drag and drop different 3D shapes. I used Fusion 360 for this because of the feature where you can put an image inside of the workspace. So I could trace all the lines and all the details of the theater and then make a model off of it. In this design, I learned a lot about CAD design and 3D printing. For example, 3D printing, you have to make sure that the base is secure on at all times, or else you'll have warping like this. That's when the plastic cools and gets closer together. That's why the edges here don't meet up with this. I also printed this red piece upside down so it would fit better here. However, my printer has an offset, so these pieces did not align as good as I wanted them to. Overall though, this does do a somewhat accurate model of the Ford's Theater, and I was really happy with it. It was my first time doing a project with Fusion 360, and I was really happy with the results. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.